Bajjey says you're in luck.
Got you covered.
Yeah, covered.
It is such a long stretch of warmth that we're looking at. It's kind of wild to see that something we were talking about a month and a half ago is actually happening like almost too well. That's what we're looking at here going further forward. It is El Nino through and through. So here's what we got in that next weather forecast. We've got the 30s right now. We've got the cloud cover, which doesn't seem all that bad. That's fine. Today's not the day we're worried about. What we are looking at is going forward. So starting tomorrow and then for the next 2 weeks, we've got some well above average temps. Now, we're not talking 70s. Just to be above average, you got to be in the 40s, and you've got plenty of that. So what we have tomorrow is kind of day number 1. 42 in Monroe. We've got some sunshine, partly cloudy skies at times as well, so there's still a little gray, but we trade the heavier clouds for a bit of a breeze. That's the trade-off we have to work with. So low 40s will still feel like the 30s. You're still going to want the jacket. Now, we go further up to the north here. Dearborn at 42 degrees going into the afternoon hours. Again, a pretty good breeze out of the west at a good 10 to 20. We go to Ann Arbor at 40 as well, and that leaves us with those partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. Now, watch the map, the blue colors underneath all the icons. Up here, you can see this line, this divide line there. That is going to show you who, like Brighton, has a little cloud cover still holding on, a little stubborn, partly cloudy skies, even mostly cloudy at times. We go further to the east here. Let's go to Warren at 42 in the afternoon. More sunshine, more clearing. The difference is further inland, further off to the northwest, we got more lake effect cloud cover we got to deal with. That's the key. And once we get rid of that heavier cloud cover, we will cool down. So up to the north here, Port Huron at 39 leaves us again with partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. But while we're a little above average tomorrow, we head for even more of that after. So on the model, you can see the cloud cover break. One line, one cold front, dives its way through. We don't really get anything from it, but what it does is it pulls more wind in along with it. So we have to watch for another breezy day, not just on Tuesday, but also, because of that cold front, a cooler day on Wednesday. But that's the only one where we're back down in the upper 30s. Then it's 40s, 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 40s. All the way into the start of next week. It's pretty solid to see those numbers stick. Now, why is that important? Because all the way into the start of next week, that's the run up to Christmas Eve, and the outlook here, including Christmas Eve, is honestly very mild. Now, almost trace out the shape of the outlook we've got here for the entire rest of December, and it matches really well with what we were talking about a month and a half ago with this being an El Nino winter. We have the mild air. We're likely drier than average, so your odds of it actually being a white Christmas, as of right now, are very low.